So, guys, je m'appelle Arun. I am calling you from a beautiful city called Lyon.
Merci beaucoup pour organiser ce tour pour nous.
Oui. Merci. The theme today is the alimentation française shop that I'm going to take you inside and probably show you how to buy a cafe or a chocolat chaud, which is very cultural to the French life. One of the shops which is very famous here and which is one of my favorite is called the Etienne shop. Here I am. Okay, so this reindeer welcomes you. So you see still the Christmas and the New Year flavor is there. Bonjour, ça va? Ce sont mes élèves, vous pouvez dire ça, bonjour. So he's saying hello to you, and he's my friend now because I come so often here. You see all these different coffees which are there from different countries, and you have, see, all these coffees are here. Okay, land Mysore, it's a Mysorean coffee. And now I show you this, the charcuterie and theater, and you see you have only 2 clients can 2 clients maximum pour le magasin, s'il vous plaît. So it's written there, so only 2 people can go inside this shop. Now charcuterie is something where you will get meats, different kinds of meats, raw ones or the ones which are cooked. And the theater, they have different cooked foods which you can take by gram. And you have a brasserie. In a bistro or a brasserie, you will find a fixed menu and basically with some drinks, and they are basically some kind of fast food. So that is the difference. But a restaurant will be more specific, like you have restaurant the land, which is Indian restaurant, you have Italian restaurant, you have different kind of restaurants are there. And this section you can see lot of boisson. Boisson is called the drinks in France. One is the salad. The French people love their salad. You see all these salads, the green leaf vegetables available here. They will use a lot of salad, and one of the sections that they have is of fruits et légumes. And one of the things that they put in their salad is this, which you will identify. For example, this one.
Is this avocado?
This avocado comes from which country? Can you read?
It comes from Peru.
Also put the haricot in their salad.
Yeah, from French beef.
The radish, the small radish comes from this country. What is this country? Can you tell me what is Pays-Bas?
Netherlands.
Netherlands. There are other things, like those who like here in France, they like their seafood. And one of the things which is very famous in the seafood is this. Can you tell me what is that?
Prawns. Shrimps.
Very good. Prawns. Okay. So they like prawns, and they like prawns in their salad also. Which are dry sausages which are available. And these sausages especially made of, say, pig, pork, they are so expensive. So in the Christmas time in Spain or in certain parts of France, if you go, they will cost you 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Red casket, the red cap is lait entier. That means a full cream. And once you have with the blue casket is lait demi crème. So it's like half cream. So you see here apricot, pomme poire, pomme banane. You have lot of sweet things made of your fruits. You know what is a vegan?
Yeah, they don't have dairy products and
Yeah, they don't eat non-veg and dairy products.
Yeah.
Yes, there are many people who judge that okay, in France I will not get not veg food. No, it's not like that. Many veg foods are available, and this section is about the cheese, one which you must have read in your books, like this one. You know this. Can you read it?
The Camembert fromage.
Now this section is the section of for the small kids and kids like you. So bonbons, you have marshmallows. You have this is marshmallows. This is a section which is more international, like the cheese and the pizzas. So you just carry these pizzas, warm them for 5-6 minutes in micro, and you have it. So actually, the French people, they don't make their own bread. They actually they buy it from here, and they eat it with their lunch or dinner. Okay, this section also has a cafe again. So cafe will not leave you once you are in France. You will get cafe. So this cafe is even cheaper than from where I bought. It's about, can you see the price?
€1.
Yeah, €1. You have €1. You have so cafe Illange, which means double cafe. You will have €1.20. So you have a cafe machine in almost all the shops of alimentation.
Sir, why is Maggie banned
Hello?
in France? So wasn't it confirmed one time that it contains lead?
Yeah, so probably because of that also, and also like there are things they have very strict control, like anything that they produce here has to pass through certain criteria. So all the foods here are unadulterated. They have to pass through a government agency. They have to be approved, and then only they are sold. So Maggie, unfortunately, was not approved. So you don't get it here.
You showed us baguette, right?
Yes, I showed you baguette. The long bread is called baguette, and there are different kinds of baguette. There is a sesame baguette. There is a baguette which is softer. There's a baguette which is harder. And this is funny because many students who come here on exchange and all that, after 1 or 2 days say, "Sir, baguette to humse cut hi nahi rahi hai, hamare to kaat hi nahi ja rahi hai. You give me something softer." But the French people, they love it. They love it hard. They love it. They love it. The hardness of it. They love it. So this is also cultural. Yes.
The thing is, are people fined if they put garbage out of dustbins?
Oh yeah, actually the garbage system here is very good. Every 50 meters you will find 3 kind of boxes kept there. One is with the green one is for the biodegradable things. So your gray one will be for the plastics and all that, and the black one will be for the glasses, like the bottles and all that, which is made of glass. Au revoir, ciao.